Welcome to our first video on hybrid teaching. What does hybrid teaching mean? At most German universities, the term hybrid teaching is used to refer to the simultaneous offer of online and face-to-face participation in courses. Face-to-face is understood to mean the physical presence in the lecture room. This combination of digital teaching with classic in-person formats enables students to participate flexibly and independently of location. Basically, a distinction can be made between synchronous and asynchronous hybrid teaching. Synchronous hybrid teaching refers to the situation in which students attend a course at the same time. Some of the participants are physically present on site, while others are connected online from different locations. In asynchronous hybrid teaching, lecturers and students are online at different times and interact either simultaneously or with a time delay in a digital environment. Hybrid teaching combines the advantages of online and face-to-face teaching. Students can decide for themselves whether they want to attend the course online or in person. On the one hand, online participation has the advantage of a high degree of flexibility. It reduces commuting times and ensures a better compatibility of studies and family. On the other hand, the advantage of attending in person is the personal contact with lecturers and fellow students and the associated direct feedback through facial expressions and gestures. The disadvantages of hybrid teaching are, first and foremost, the lack of personal contact between lecturers and students who only participate in the course online. Also, the time required to prepare a hybrid course is greatly increased. For example, good technical preparation is necessary in the seminar or lecture room. In addition, the teacher has to conduct a live and an online seminar at the same time and to design them both in such a way that the basic requirements are the same for all participants. Both groups must be given the same attention.